At the General Motors Tech Center, engineer Brooke Lindbert pushes the XP-898 to its limits, defying traditional car construction norms. This sleek sports car, swathed in iridescent silver-green lacquer, isn't a showpiece, but an engineering testbed. It challenges Detroit's standard metal bodies on frames or welded unit constructions with its radical plastic, frameless design. The XP-898, utilizing stock Vega components with an experimental aluminum, single overhead camshaft cylinder head, showcases the potential of plastic construction. Its body, composed of bonded fiberglass panels enclosing foam, is exceptionally robust, yet lightweight. This innovation promises rust-proofing, rigidity, and energy absorption, potentially redefining safety standards and crash repair costs. On the road, the car impresses with its rigidity, smoothness over bumps, and reduced noise from the engine. Chevrolet envisions passing bumper laws without traditional bumpers, relying on the body's design for impact protection, localizing damage to the affected area, and potentially making repairs cheaper. The car's 350-pound body, predominantly fiberglass and foam, hints at the lightweight potential of such construction. Despite its impressive performance, hitting 114 miles per hour, sprinting the quarter mile in 17.6 seconds, and demonstrating remarkable cornering and braking, the XP-898 remains a singular prototype. Lindbert and Chevrolet's engineers bask in the success, establishing the viability of an all-plastic car, generating excitement for the project's future potential. This innovation signals a groundbreaking advancement in automotive engineering, a significant first step toward redefining car construction.